Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you some basic features of Tinkercad. So this is a kind of part 2 introduction I am making. So for the basic tools I will just need some shapes. I will just randomly draw some shapes from the menu, and first of all we will select all of them and we will see the align option. What this do is this will align them in a specific row, like these are in the center in a specific row with the everything. So when I just click this one, everything will go to the cylinder. I will click this one, everything will come to the sphere. When I click the dot, this one, and everything will go to the roof. So I will just select the middle one, and for understanding this thing clearly I will just first of all select only the cylinder and make it transparent. So you can see now the roof is here. The ball is upper than the ball is up of at the top of the roof, and the cylinder is covering the wall, so you cannot see the ball right now. And we will just again select all of them, and when you will go to these dots, these one, you click this, the roof will come in the center and the ball will go at the top. The roof will go at the top and the ball will come at the center. So first of all, I will just do everything like normal, and I will make it non-transparent. So align option is clear to all of us. Now we will talk about these tools. So what are these? This is the Workplane tool. This is the scale tool, or you can say the ruler tool, and this is the node tool. Mostly we just use the Workplane tool, and scale tool and nodes tool are generally not used. So what does the Workplane tool do? I will just select this and I can just make the Workplane on any of the shapes. Like I will just put it on the cylinder. So whole of the Workplane will go on the cylinder. What does this do is when you will grab another cylinder and keep it and take it to the Workplane, you will see that that cylinder is kept on the cylinder on the other cylinder. So I will just take the Workplane tool, and when you see the blue Workplane tool and when it is orange, that means that it is on some of the shapes. But when it is in blue color, when you will just click it, the Workplane will go as normal. So you can just see that this is used to keep some particular shapes on other shapes. And the menu for the shape, when you just click the cylinder, you can see this thing. What does this mean is when you just take the side one, that will make the cylinder too smooth. This is the original one and this is the smooth one. When you just zoom in, you can see the sides of the cylinder are very less now in this one, and these are very more, so that it could get more curved. We will just take it to less. So when you take it just to 12, it will get a little bit more or less. I will just do it full. And this thing, the bevel, it will make it smoother from the sides, the segments. It will make everything smooth. When you just, but this will only work when you just do the bevel a little bit from zero. Otherwise, segments have no work to do with the cylinder right now. But when you will just do the bevel up, the segments effect will appear. But right now it is very less. When you just do it, it will make curves in the cylinder. So we have the same with the ball also. It is just having the steps which are like side only. This is will make it like a diamond looking thing because the steps are very less, and it is same as the sides of the cylinder and the steps of the ball. We don't have anything for the roof we because it is not fully made, it is because it is in half. And this is specifically, these things are for the roof. It has many things. The top radius, it will just change its top. As we used in the glass, we just made the base radius a little less, and we made the top radius little bit more than the base radius, and it could now look like a glass when you just make this. You can just change the height with this only. The sides also work here. You can change the sides. When you just do this, it will look like a pyramid only. And when you do the same with the pyramid, it will change into a cone. We just take the base radius to 0, and we'll take the top radius to 0 and a base radius a little bit. So now it is looking like a pyramid, but when you just change the sides, it will totally look like a cone. So I will just delete everything, and we have some options like when you will just select both of the cylinders, you will see this option will get darker, bolded, and the mirror option. Let's understand the mirror option first. When you just do the mirror option, it will not work in the cylinder because cylinder is a curve like thing. I will just take this thing and make it like this, and I will just then select mirror option. When I will just select the mirror option, it will just mirror the image totally, and I will just then do like this, it will again mirror. So what is the real use of this is then when we are like, we will just duplicate this thing and then we will mirror it. So what will now happen is we will just take it at the top of this, and you are getting a full overlooking shape. So this is the use of the mirror option, that you can make some specific things, and you can, it is a good habit to group. So I will just group them. So when you, the group option is when this is now a joint thing. When you will, when I will just ungroup this, it will move I will just ungroup this, I will just select one. It is moving like two other parts. But when I will just group them both, it is like a one shape now. So every time we make a thing or a project in Tinkercad, we, it is a important thing to group in that. So this is the thing, and these thing you just need, like when you just click this duplicate option, it will duplicate the same thing that you have selected on that. And when you will just copy it, this copied, and you can now delete it. There is no need, like I have deleted everything, and this is the paste option. I will just, when paste, it will come back. But this is not the same in duplicate, because duplicate is on the spot. But the copy and paste thing is, if you want to like take it from one project to another, when you will open this project, I will just copy this, and when I will go in another project, I will paste it, the same thing will appear in another project. So this is used for taking one thing to another project. So now this is the toggle node visibility, and we just not use it regularly. And you can see this thing. You can get more shapes, your creation favorites, basic shape, design starters, creature and character, vehicle and machines. As you can remember that in the car we use this thing, vehicles and machines. We took a tire from here. I will just go to creatures and characters. You can see I will get a lot of things in this. You can get an egg, you can get eyes to make a character, you can get an astronaut. I just used it in some of my projects, and you can get many things. So the when you start a project, you will just go automatically go to basic shapes only. This your video will start, your project will start from basic shapes only. So these were the most important and most liked things in Tinkercad, and most important also. So for deleting, we have a delete option. I will just delete everything. And for not deleting it, simply you can just go and take many things and you can select everything. Then you can select everything, just delete. So thanks for watching this video. In this video, I just told you the main tools of the Tinkercad, and thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks.